Hello guys, you may have seen the last week we did the service on the Subaru. Well, same day, hot as fuck, it's like 34 degrees, and we're continuing to work on the Subaru. And on this video we're going to be doing and pads all around because they're quite shaggedy shagged. I knew they were bad when I bought them. Obviously, working at Euros, I get parts dirt cheap, so it's not even that bad of a problem. But yeah, me and Ollie are we're gonna do a side, front and rears, one side, and then swap over and do the other side. But yeah, get the car up on axle stands is the main objective to begin with, and then yeah, get the wheels off, or whop the brake calipers off and change the discs. Hopefully there's no seizing problems or bolt problems, but we got some WD, so it should be fun. But yeah, let's get into it. This essentially is same as the front as the rear. You've got your actual caliper itself, which sits in the two bolts. Take those two off, caliper slides out. You can either hang it up, or on the rear you can leave it on the control arms. All 14mm on those two, and then it's a 14mm on the back of the two carriers down there at the top and the bottom, which gets the carrier off. And then after that it's pretty much disc off, new disc on, be done. Right, boy. But yeah, seems to be going alright. Nothing's really corroded, nothing's really hard to get off. It all seems pretty easy to get off, to be honest. Seems like it's going well alright at this side. So, with a bit of persuasion, mine's come off. Ollie's still working on his.
They're loosening up.
Loosening up, but mine came off pretty easy, so I'm happy with that. A little bit of persuasion, a little bit of WD around the lugs. Don't do it on the... Oh, I thought you were doing it on the back of the... I thought you were doing it on the thingy. You know these are solid. Solid rear discs. But yeah, let's get the new ones on, boy!
Right, so now we've got the fronts and the rears off. They just needed a shit ton of persuasion with me good old hammer. We've now got some pagid, brand new discs, and got brake cleaner. Got some blue rolls, give them a clean up to get all the grease and everything off of it.
Elephant discs.
And yeah, throw them on, boy. I need pads as well, mate. You got copper slip?
Huh?
You got copper slip?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
I mean, as far as doing discs and pads are essential for a service, that was really easy. I was expecting to have seized bolts, I was expecting to have seized calipers, but no, they literally went straight back in. All goody fine. Front calipers are looking fine. Front discs are now looking good compared to how bad the old ones were. There was quite a lot of lip in there and quite a lot of rusting. These calipers are brown bread, boy. Discs rather. But the pads themselves had quite a lot of life left in them. But yeah, it seems pretty easy, to be honest. But yeah, get this side down and we'll work on the other side. Ignore the alloys for now. They'll be getting refurbed and going black. But yeah, that was rather easy. Now we're going to go eat some food. Do a little bit better what we're working with. Caliper assembly. Two 14mm bolts either side of the caliper. Whop those off, whop the caliper off. Two 14mm bolts to get the carrier off. Carrier off, disc off, disc on, new pads, carrier back on, new pads, put the caliper back on, and then pretty much done. It's easy as pie, boy. So let's get this side done. We are done And what a mess this Subaru has made of this fucking drive. Fucking state of it, boy. What she's done. New discs and pads all round. Looking nice. Those, just ignore the alloys for now. They're getting redone. And they're not going to be the alloys I'm always going to have on it, I don't think. They were just cheap, and the tyres. I needed tyres, so. And look at me, they got plenty of tread. The other ones were bald, they were gone. They were well far gone. But yeah, new discs and pads all round, simple as that. Such an easy job for such confidence in braking. It's kind of a must do. But yeah, she's looking alright at the moment.